Welcome to my channel, All for Health with Jane. Family, we are still on the Senzo Meyiwa trial. Lieutenant Colonel Gouws is still on the witness stand. He's just about to present evidence on towers. And as he is about to do that, drama that is never going to end in this court. It starts again. Family, apparently, Advocate Baloyi did not give them documents that has to do with this. Now it's argument. They end up arguing about the method, the approach that Baloyi is using in leading Lieutenant Colonel Gouws. So they are suggesting if they could have different other methods in doing this, so as for them as defense to be able to follow as well. Somewhere Mnisi today was burning like fire. He was blazing, like fire. So Mnisi complains that he was not given some of the documents. But luckily we have Attorney Ramosepeli. Always when they argue about documents, Ramosepeli will be a lifesaver, Ramosepeli just came and said, no, we do have them. I know. I spoke to my learned colleagues about them. And at least that was sorted. And at last, they asked for a break of 15 minutes, but Rata said, no, let's go for an hour. Go for an hour, sort that out, whatever that you are having a challenge with, and then when we come back, let's continue. Family, let's watch and listen to this clip and comment at the end of the clip. Let's listen.
Thank you. Colonel, you can refer or open that spreadsheet on the 2.5 that shows the towers.
That's correct, Madam?
Yes. Yes, you can go ahead. Yes.
Okay, so I'll read again from the beginning. So let's just make it a little bit bigger. So number 2772766869.
If the witness can refer us to the section 204 that is particular that with when he was analyzing this, so that we can be able to zoom into that particular section 204.5 that was used in this particular analysis.
Yes, Mr.
That's the name of the agent and the name of the service provider who gave you that section 205.
I've already testified just this morning that I received from Brigadier Kaninda, my lord.
And got to go to namhlanje ukuthi lokho benimali 25 ngayithola kuyena ke uBrigadier Kaninda le ekuyona ngethula ubufakazi ngayo manje.
And Kaninda obviously got this from the service provider.
Service provider, yes.
I thought we understand how this evidence is compiled.
Yes.
Now, Mr. Msololo says, no, you know what? You must tell them and show them the section 205 record from where he extrapolated this from.
I've got to read you, my lord, if I need to. There is the original, the full 205. The section 205.
Do you have this, ma'am?
My lord, I don't have these documents. The only thing I asked my lord, I said, if the witness can tell us that he used the section 205, which has been compiled by Ms. Pinky or by Ms. Paula or by Ms. so that we can be able to zoom into that section 205. If he used the section 205 that was compiled by Colonel Gouws, it's fine.
No, Colonel Gouws never compiled anything. This was compiled by the service provider, as I understand. Is that so?
That's when I received as I read this morning. Just Section 205 was obtained as a result of application in terms of Criminal Procedure Act.
Right.
And then it was put on a CD.
That's it.
2 CDs, one of Excel and one of in a PDF format. That was sealed by the service provider, I don't know which one, and it was given to me in a sealed evidence bag, which I opened and then I extracted. That was on the CD, the Excel part, and this is the Section 205 that was provided by the service provider, my lord.
Are you with him?
I'm with him, madam. Thank you. At least I wanted to know which service provider and he said he cannot
Vodacom,
tell.
is it Vodacom, sir?
He said he cannot tell, my lord. He said he cannot tell, he doesn't know. And then he doesn't know the name of the agent.
Wait. The numbers of Vodacom, they start with what?
2772, my lord. So
How about two?
But the witness
What's
never
difficult with it?
Yes, my lord, but the witness never said from the service
No,
provider.
that's common knowledge. That's a 27, for instance, is an abbreviation of this service provider, as he says. Do you want to, again, we must adjourn so that we must go over, because it appears there's no mutual understanding.
Madam, we have given them the affidavit of Ms. Pinky filling here, and I'm also giving that to them again, just to show them how it looks like. In fact, Ms. Shololo was in our office. We made copies, and she's sitting with the affidavit of Ms. Fillingham.
Madam, I'm not denying that, madam. I just asked the witness if he can just tell us the name of the agent so that we can zoom into that specific record. That's the only thing I asked. Just the name of the agent for that Section 205, so that I can zoom into the records and statement, particular statement that he's referring to. That's all, madam.
Well, we've just given that to Advocate Shololo to make it easier for...
So they say they've just given it over to
I
you.
think it's better to give it to the witness so that he put it on record, the name of the agent. It
but
must appear on record.
It's not her affidavit, my lord. How can she put something that's not... And we've once again indicated that the agent from the service provider will be coming to testify.
Then if it's not her affidavit, he cannot testify on that statement. He cannot testify if it's not his or if it's not her affidavit.
my lord, this is not a statement, this is Section 205 records. So
Of a million telephone numbers.
of a million telephone, or not a million, but my
No,
lord,
I know, I'm just saying several.
numbers, and this was
Yeah.
given by Brigadier Ganinda on a sealed evidence bag, and I'm analyzing Section 205. I'm not analyzing a statement, my lord.
Indeed.
So this witness says he's not analyzing an affidavit or a statement.
Yes.
He's analyzing the record of the Section 205 numbers, which he thinks are pertinent for this case. Is that so, sir?
So God, please can we then... just
No, but it's
proceed on
obvious
that
we
point?
don't understand what's happening. No, that's the truth. We don't understand. That's why then this Colonel Gouws, when he talks about extrapolating the relevant numbers from the Section 205, Ms. Mshololo says he must tell us the name of the person who made the affidavit. Can you see, these things don't even
Yes.
come together.
I don't know if Advocate Michelle is still persisting with that request after the explanation that we've given and after the explanation that the witness has given.
Maybe start from the scratch. Tell us how you took the disc, opened the seal. Maybe start there. What's that, sir?
My lord, like I put in my statement, I received a request from Brigadier Ganinda.
Right?
njengoba kubhaliwe-ke kwi-statement sami ukuthi isicelo ngasithola kuyena ubrigadier Gininda.
I received a sealed evidence back from Mogololo, Sergeant BB Mogolo.
Ngase-ke isikhwama lesi sezobufakazi-ke ngasithola esasivaliwe kuyena uSergeant BB Mukhola.
That was sealed in forensic bag PA 501309432.
Esasike nale number ewu-PA 5001309432.
and it was marked phosphorus 636-10-2014 murder.
Kwabhaliwe laphayana ke phosphorus 636-2014 murder noma ke ukubulala.
And this bag was sealed. I took a photograph of it. I opened it inside. I found 2 DVDs inside this evidence bag.
Leso sikhwama ke isasivaliwe ke ngathatha ke noma ngathobula ke isithombe saso ngase ngiyasivula ke mina ngathola ke ama DVD amabili ngaphakathi kusona.
Can you maybe just explain what were you required to do and
Just
what your expertise are?
I was required to look for a communication with other accused in this before court.
Isicelo ke laphayana kwakuwukuthi ke ngibheke ke ukuxhumana okwakukhona ke kanye nabanye ke abamangalelwa noma abasolwa ke phambi kwenkantolo.
So on my statement, I just extracted the data from the communication. If I had to put the whole 205, it wouldn't be readable on the statement itself. But that's why I've got the section 205 on hand that was downloaded or copied to my directly from the DVD on my computer. And that's why I can just open, if I've hyperlinked it, so if I open it, it will go directly to the section 205 that was on the DVD to show the court.
Are we with the professor, with the Colonel? Are we with the Colonel so far? Are you with the Colonel? You got what? No, he's giving evidence. Are you with the Colonel? No.
I think if my learned friends can just maybe take the let's proceed with the. Can you just go to the original 205s and then just.
But everybody has them in his or her computer. Is that not so?
Yes, indeed.
So just tell them how it's formatted. They will make progress.
Yes.
I know how it's formatted. You know how it's formatted in your computer. Is that not so?
That's correct, my lord.
Now ask everybody here if that's how that section 205 information is formatted.
So this is how I think we sent it to all. It was given to all the council 2 weeks ago, last week or 2 weeks ago already. I don't know.
More than 2 weeks ago.
Yes, madam.
I think just for the sake of progress, Lieutenant Colonel, if you can just go to the original 205s, then read from the original 205s the information that's encapsulated on page 3, including the towers. I think that would then cover everything.
Okay, so now let's just open it here. Let's go here. So let's start with. This is the original. I'm busy with the original section 205 that I'm busy with now, my lord. So I'll go to.
And we just want to put in record, my lord, that the original section 205s have already been handed up as indicated on Friday as Exhibit DD5 F Roman figure 1.
We all have them, DD5 F Roman figure 1. Yes. Those are the section 205
yes.
Extra.
Yes, you can continue.
So I've just highlighted now the first number, 27, between accused 3 with cell phone number 277276618669 and Fishikulin Tule with 277239958787. That's just That's the communication with that number, my lord.
Manje ke qeda manje ke ukutshengisa noma ke uhighlight lapha na ke lena inumber ke yokuqala ekuyakhe ke uNcube 27727661 668 kanye ke nale number 27.
I think there's a problem. The court is just wanted to verify with us if we've got exhibit D in 5.
Yes, yes.
We still trying to search. I personally don't have it, and the witness continues to testify. We haven't responded to the court yet. I don't have that exhibit D in 25.
We gave that information to them about on the memory stick about two weeks ago.
2 weeks ago.
Yes.
Mr. Mnisi says he doesn't have it.
The time when we adjourned for about a week and a half.
That's the challenge, man. It is in the memory stick, Mr. Barroy. My colleague advocate Barroy refers to it as exhibit D25F. How are we supposed to know which information in the memory stick is labeled exhibit D25F?
Ask Mr. Ramosipidi because he says he has it. How do you know, sir?
Normally, my lord.
No, wait. You don't know. Let's ask a person who knows.
My lord, I was just confirming with my learned colleagues if it's the information that's on the disk that we got last week, and they confirmed, and I do
Did you
confirm.
download that information
I
from
do.
the disk?
It's a lot of pages, my lord, but I do have the information relevant to his evidence, my lord.
So, Mr. Mnisi, what is your problem?
My problem, my lord, is Mr. Barroy says that information was given to us as exhibit D25F. Now I'm searching among the documents that I have here. I don't have something.
No, he's not saying that.
D25F.
He's not saying that. Tell him what you're saying.
I'm saying the original copies of the two files were given to the defense on the disk some time ago, and for court purposes, that information will also be put on a USB on a disk and will be marked. Yes, exhibit DD5F in brackets Roman figure 1.
No, that's not what he said initially. I'm not there.
Do you want us to adjourn so
He
that...
specifically
wait.
said
Otherwise, it's a waste of
that
time.
information is contained in exhibit DD25F, and the court said, let the defense confirm if we've got exhibit DD25F. Now, even before the court could hear from us whether we confirm whether we've got that document or not, then the witness continued to testify. But I don't have exhibit DD25F. All that is mentioned here is that information is still in the memory stick. And in the memory sticks, there's a whole lot of information. So now I'm not so sure which one in the whole lot of information constitutes exhibit DD25F. Thank you, my friend.
Mr. Barroy, what were you guys talking about? I have senior advocates, senior attorneys. They meet with Lieutenant Gouws, Colonel Gouws, the expert. And I say formulate a modus vivendi as to how this evidence should be packaged. We adjourn. Really, when I asked yesterday, today, has this been done? You say, all of you, yes. But now we all don't know what happened. And yet we met.
Yes.
May I just suggest a solution?
Yes.
Because I'm also in the dark with this exhibit 5F Roman figure 4. If the state can just print us those documents which constitutes exhibits exhibit DD5F, the one that is referring to. The state can print us just those pages out of the document in the folder that was provided to us. I have indicated to the state that I'm briefed by the legal aid, I cannot be able to print. And therefore I need hard copies of this exhibit that the state is referring the witness to right now.
My lord, it's a lot of pages, hence we gave it to them on a disk. It's you know, it's mounds and mounds of documents, my lord.
But this is not what I said. You must just extrapolate the relevant.
Yes.
The relevant numbers from the 205.
Yes.
Section 205 record.
And
because the other, I mean, there could be a million numbers here.
And that's precisely what we did.
We are not interested in the others.
Yes.
Telling me that this is Nelson Mandela's number,
yes.
This is Motlana's number. We're interested in the so-called numbers which the so-called accused utilize to communicate together or against each other.
That's precisely what we did.
That's
maybe I'm really not sure what the defense now wants. Maybe if we can just adjourn for a short while just to find out what is it that they want, and over and above what we've given them, if perhaps they need guidance as to where to find the information. Perhaps that might help. If they still have a problem, but if they don't have a problem, then the witness can then just continue.
So what do you suggest we do? Let's adjourn until tomorrow because it's a waste of time. I can see people don't understand what's happening. The whole defense doesn't. That's the truth. Here's an expert. He testifies as to what he did in terms of the analysis. And we don't understand it. And then we want to adjourn for what, 1 hour. Let's adjourn for the whole afternoon. And then we come back tomorrow again.
So, not the whole defense.
What?
Not the whole defense.
Okay, some of the defense.
Yes.
Yeah, I've qualified it. You understand, some of the defense don't.
Mala, to save time, I'm just worried at some point we're going to run into problems with the availability of Lieutenant Colonel Gouws. Can we maybe just adjourn for, it's 12:30, maybe just for 15 minutes? And I'm sure we can even sort out the issues before
Let's
then.
adjourn until 2 o'clock. Is that okay? Lieutenant, can you assist?
Yes, my lord.
Okay, 2 o'clock.
You know, family, whenever this drama takes place, I don't know, I imagine Senzo's mom, wherever she is, watching at this, and this happens. In most cases, to be honest, this is a waste of time. And anyway, who am I to say that? Let's just wait and see. But I'm telling you, family, we are going to take another 10 years on top of the 10 years that we already took on this case. Thank you so much, family, for watching this video to the end. Please like it before you leave. Subscribe for my channel if you haven't done so yet. Thank you, family. I love you. Bye.